Hello friends, welcome to Queen Chef. Today we are going to see how to make a tasty recipe using potatoes. We are going to use basic ingredients that are available in every household to make this recipe, and the children will love this recipe much. Do try it once at your home, enjoy and share your comments. Let's get started. It will be better to take large size potatoes. I have peeled 3 potatoes, then cut them in lengthwise and kept them in some water. Only then will the potatoes not turn black color. I have heated up the water. Now it started boiling, so add all chopped potatoes. To this add little salt and mix it once. Allow it to cook them for 5 minutes in medium flame. It's been 5 minutes now. Turn off the stove, then take out all the potatoes from water. Strain the water completely and keep them in a plate. Next, in a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Corn flour and rice flour will help the potato to get even more crispy. Mix it well so that all the flour combine together. Then add the dry ingredients to the boiled potatoes. Coat the mixture well till it gets mixed evenly. I am going to add a very little amount of water so that the mixture easily sticks with the potatoes or it combined well. Do not add more water, otherwise it will consisting more oil while frying. It has combined well now. Let me fry it. For that I have heated up the oil. Now it is hot. Add the potato mixture little by little and fry them until it gets golden. Fry them in medium flame. Flip it all sides occasionally so that it will get fried evenly. Now it's become light brown color. Strain the excess oil, then keep aside. Repeat the same process for remaining of the potatoes. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it gets spluttered, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. Also add 1 green chilli and saute it once. Add few curry leaves and saute it for a while. No need to get onion as golden color. When the onion becomes translucent, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the raw smell goes off. Now we are going to add tomato puree. I have blended 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute it until the raw smell of tomato puree goes off. When the raw smell has completely gone, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala. It gives nice aroma to this recipe. Next, I have mixed 2 teaspoons of corn flour in little water and I am going to add it now. Also 1 teaspoon of yogurt and give it a mix. Adding corn flour and yogurt will help to have a good consistency. Add salt to taste. We have already added a little salt for potatoes when we boiled it. Now I am going to add 300 ml of water. Mix it and allow it to get boil. Allow it to boil them in a high flame. Now it becomes little thicker. Once it gets little thicker, we have to add all the fried potatoes. Gently mix it and keep it for 2 minutes. Do not keep for more than 2 minutes. That is very important. Finally, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of honey and add few curry leaves. You can also add coriander leaves instead of curry leaves. Adding these two at the end really enhances the taste of this recipe. It's been 2 minutes now, so it's time to turn off the stove. That's it. Our delicious honey chili potato is now ready to serve. If you like to watch more such interesting recipes, do share and subscribe the Queen Chef and also click a bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.